Hi everyone. Hello students. I welcome you all to this video. I am Pratima. Today we'll learn how to use the knowledge of your prime numbers in solving some questions. We have already learned how to distinguish the prime numbers, what is a prime numbers, and how to list prime numbers from 1 to 100 and 101 to 200. And if you have not watched it, please watch the video, then you will have a clear concept. Then only we can solve or apply the knowledge in solving questions. Here I'll solve 2 to 10 questions based on, or it is asked in different job related examination, maybe in banking and railway and UPSC and other examination. So please watch the whole video, then only you can learn many things. And for your information, I have made this video with request of some of my students, those who are appearing for job related examination. So let us begin. So thank you all the subscribers. So question number 1. Question number 1 is very simple. Question is, which of the following is a prime number? For prime number, what you will check? First we will check whether it is an even number. Every even number is not a prime, is not prime. Then you will go for your whether it is divisible by 3. For divisible by 3, you will get the sum of the digits. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is a composite number. So first I am going to 33. 33, you can see that this is 11 3s are 33, or 33 3 plus 3 is 6, which is multiple of 3. So this is not a prime number. Then you will go 81. 81 also 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? 9. This is multiple of 3. So it is not a prime number. Then we will go for 93. Again 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 3 4 times 12. So this is not a prime number. So what is prime number? Prime number is 97. So 97 is the answer. Now which of the following number is not a prime number? Is not a prime number. So same concept. These are odd numbers. So first you will go for whether it is a multiple of 3 or not. Multiple of 3 means you will check whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. So 103, the sum is 4. It is not divisible by 3. So let us check for all the numbers, then we'll go for different, because the question is which is not a prime number. So here also it is divisible by, it is not divisible by 3. 9 plus 1 is 10, not divisible by 3. See this one. This one is 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. So 3 is a multiple of 3. So it is a composite number. 1, 1, 1 is not a prime number. So to find not a prime number is easier than to find a prime number, isn't it? So here 111 is the answer. It is not a prime number. Next, which of the following number is a prime number again? Which of the following is 123, 223, 323 and 423? So next question is, which of the following number is a prime number? 123, 223, 323 and 423. Can you find yourself? You can try for it. So first trick is, I'll see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 123, if we take the sum, it is how much? It is 6, so multiple of 3. So this is not a prime number. Next, coming to 2 to 3. 2 to 3, 2 plus 3, it is equal to 7. So it is not divisible by 3. not divisible by 3. So then I'll go for next number. Next prime is 5. I won't test because 5 ending 5 is not a prime number. Next I'll go for 7. I'll divide by 7. So 22 division 223 division 7. Is it divisible? No. So it is not divisible by 7. Then I'll go for your 11. 11, it is not multiple of 11. To test a multiple of 11, I'm giving you a trick. What is it? If the number is A, B, C, 3-digit number, you add this A plus C and take out the B. If A plus C or first digit plus third digit equal to the second digit, then this number is divisible by your 11. So here it is not, because 3 plus 2 is 5. This is 5. So this is not divisible by 11. So we finished 3, we finished 7, we finished 11. Then I'll go for 13. 2, 2, 3, only one division I'll do. 2, 2, 3 division 13. So 13 1s are 13 and 9, 3. It is not divisible by 13. Then I'll stop here. I'll declare that this is a prime number. Now, why? What is the logic? This logic is 223 is your less than 17 square. So I won't go for 17. 17 square means it is 289. So I won't test 17. I'll test only the prime numbers less than 17. 3, 7, and 11 and 13. So when it is not divisible by these 4 numbers, that means I'll declare this is a prime number. You can verify also. So 2, 2 to 3 is the prime number. Next question is, which of the following is not a prime number? So as I told, to find not a prime number is easier than here to find prime number. So here, not a prime number means first you test whether it is divisible by 3 or not. How to do? Sum of the digits, find out the sum of the digit. 1 plus 3 plus 1, it is sum is 5, not divisible by 3. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, it is not divisible. It is divisible. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. So this is the number. It is very simple question. So 231 is the answer. Next is, which of the following number is not a prime number? 179, 279, 379 and 479. In the same way you can proceed. 1, 7, add it. 1 plus 7 plus 9. It is 17. It is not multiple of 3. 2 plus 7 plus 9. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 9, 18. Yes, it is multiple of 3. So this is the answer. Can you guess what will be the next 79, which will be prime number, not a prime number? It will be 579. All these are prime numbers. This is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number. Next, which is not prime number, is 579, because 5 plus 7 plus 9, it will be 12 plus 9, 21. So again, it will be a composite number. So in this way, you can analyze and you can develop your skill. So 279 is the answer, which is not a prime number. 6. 291, 391, 491, 591. Which will be a prime number? Go in the same way. First find out which is divisible by 3. 2 plus 9 plus 1. 11, 1, 12. It is divisible by 3. So this is not the thing. This will not be divisible. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is a multiple of 3. This is also not a prime number. Sum only you have to test this and this. 391 because this is sum is 13. So it is not divisible by 3. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14. It is also not divisible by 3. So after 3, what is the next number? Next number will, I told you to test 7. Don't go for 5 because there is no 5 here. So 7. 7 is 391. So here I will make you learn another trick how to find when any number is divisible by 7 or not. The procedure is you multiply the unit place digit with 2. So 1 into 2, that will be 2. Next is subtract this number from your rest number. Rest means 39 minus 2. This will be how much? 37. See whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So it is not divisible. So 391 is not divisible by 7. Same thing apply here. 491. I'm applying for 491. 491. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now 49 minus 2, that will be 47. So 47 is also not divisible by 7. So this is also not divisible by 7. So we finished for 7. Next we'll go for 11. For 11, I told you take the sum of these two numbers. It is 3 and this number is 9. They are not equal. So it is not divisible by 11. Here also 4 plus 9, 4 plus 1, 5, and this middle one is 9. So they are not equal. So it is not divisible by 11. Both the numbers not divisible by 11. So we finished 3, 5, 7, 11. Then let us go for 13. 13. 391. Now I'll literally divide 39 division by 13. 13 3s are 9. 13 3s are how much? 39. 1 is left, so it is not divisible by 13. Then now let us come for 491. 491 division by 13. How much it is? 13 3s are 39. 101. It is also not divisible by 39. 13. Then we'll go for 17. After 13, we'll go for 17. 391 division 17. 17 2s are 34 and 5 1, 7 3s are 51. So please have some patience to do the division. So 391 is composite number. So what is the rest one? Rest one is 491. So 491 is a prime number. 491 is the answer. 7. Question number 7. Which of the following is a prime number again? 511, 611, 711, 811. So we'll start from 3. Multiple of 3. Add them. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7. So not divisible by 3. 6 plus 1 plus 1. 8. Not divisible. 7 plus 1 plus 1. So this is divisible. So first I'll cancel this. This is not a prime number because the sum is 9. It is divisible by 3. And this is also not divisible by 3. Next I'll go for 7. For 7 what I'll do? I told take the unit place digit multiplied with take unit place digit multiply with 2. Then subtract from raised 2 digits. If it is multiple of 7, then it is divisible by 7. So 5, 1, 1. I'm testing with 5, 1, 1. 1 into 2 is equal to how much? 2. So 51 minus 2, how much? 49. Is it a multiple of 7? Yes. Yes. So this is divisible by 7. So this is not a prime number. Now we have cancelled these two. Rest 2 are there. Next is, let us test for 611. 611 will not be divisible by 7 if I'll go in this way. So next number, I'll go for 11. 11. So 611, take the sum of these two, it is 7, and the middle one is 1. They are not equal, so it is not divisible by 7, not divisible by 11. Then I'll go for what? I'll go for 13. 611 divided by 13. Let me divide 13. 13 4s are 52. How much is left? 9, 1. 13 7s are 91. So it is divisible by 13. So this is not a prime number. So what is the rest? Rest is 811. So 811 is the answer. 811 is the answer. Which of the following number is a prime number? 187, 287, 387, and 487. So let us go for 3 first. Take the sum. This is 7 plus 8 plus 8, 16. Not divisible. This will be 17, not divisible. This will be 18, it is divisible. So first I cancel this. And what about this? This is not divisible. Then I'll go for 7. For 7, what I'll do? I'll take the 187 I'm testing. 7 multiplies 2, 14. Subtract 14 from 18. Is it divisible by 7? No. So 187 is not divisible by 7. 287. 287 is 7 multiplied by 2, 14. So 28 minus 14, it is divisible by your 7. So this is divisible by 7. So this is not a prime number. Next, your 487. 487. 487. Now I'll divide by 7. 7 multiplies 2, your 14. 48 minus 14. It is equal to 34. So it is not divisible by 7. So 7 we finished. Then for 11. For 11, what you'll test? I told you for 11, what you'll take? You take the unit place digit and 100 place digit. If the sum is gives you, what is the sum here? It is 7. And what is the middle one? Sorry, it is 8. And middle one is also 8. So they are equal. So this number is 187 is divisible by 11. So which is left? Left is 487. 487 is the prime number. Question number 9. Which of the following is a prime number? 203, 303, 403, 503. Say 203, 303, 403, 503. Find the sum. See whether divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 2, 5. Not divisible. 3 plus 3, 6. Yes. So this is composite. 4037, 503 is 8. Not divisible. Next we'll go for 7. 7. I told you to take the unit place digit. 3 plus 1 is 3. We will multiply 2 here. 3 2s are 6. Then 20 minus 6. How much it is? 14. So it is divisible by 7. Yes. So this is the number is divisible by 7. So this is not a composite number. This is not a composite number. 203 is not a composite number, not a prime number. Then we'll go for 403 and 503. So 403 divisible by 7 or not, let us stick. 403, 3 2s are 6. 40 minus 6 is 34. So it is not divisible by 3. Then divisible by 7. Similarly, 503, 50 minus 6. 50 minus 6 is 44. It is not divisible by 7. So we finish 7. Next we'll go for 11. Take the sum. Is it 11? The sum is 11? No. So this is not divisible by 11. Take the sum. Is this sum 11? No. So it is, they are not divisible by 11. Then we'll go for 13. 13. I'll divide here. 403 division 13. 13 threes are 39. 1 3. 13 ones are 13. So it is divisible by 13. So this is not a prime number. It's a composite number. So what is rest? Rest is 503. So 503 is the answer. Next is 201, 301, 401, 501. What will be the prime number? Go on doing. I hope you can do yourself now. You must be excited to do yourself. Go on doing. 201 is not a prime because 2 plus 1 you are getting 3 here. This is not a prime. Similarly, 501, see 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 is multiple of 3. So this is not a prime. Only 301 is left. 401 is left. Then what I told, after 3, I'll go for 7. How to go 7? How to go for 7? Take the unit place digit. I'm testing for 301. 1 into 2. 2. Subtract 2 from 30. It is 28. Is it a multiple of 7? Yes. So this is multiple of 7. So this is not a prime number. So what is left? Left is 401. So 401 is your answer. I hope you have enjoyed. So here only again I am summarizing. First you test for 3. Then next is test with 7. Next test with 11. Then test with 13. And next go for 17. Then you go for your 19. If the number is 1 to 100, so only testing with 7 is sufficient. If the number is up to 200, then you have to go for up to 13. If the number is 3 up to 300, then you have to go for your 17. If the number is up to 400, you have to go up to 19. If it is below 200, no need of 17, 19, other things. If the number is 500, then still you go for 19. Then next, if it is up to 600, then go for 23 and 29, so on. So, but the question asked in the examination up to 500 most of the time, and 19 is sufficient for it. But still, if it is more up to 900, it is more than 800, then you go for it. Is up to 800, you can go with 19, 23. Then if it is beyond 800, then we have to go for 29. So I think up to 23, your purpose will be solved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share it so that you can learn more and more. Thank you.